Hi, I'm Wouter from Dimensional Insight. In this episode, we're going to learn how to create a new project in Workbench. These projects can help simplify the process of analyzing and reporting different types of information. Here's Alyssa Mintz from our education department to show us the ropes.
In this demonstration, you'll learn how to create a new Workbench project. A Workbench project allows you to group similar types of information, making it easier to analyze and report on that information. A Workbench project is a collection of files of different types, including raw data or source files, temporary data in the process of being manipulated, finalized data files, documents, images, and scripts. For convenience, files in a Workbench project can be organized in folders like these. When you create a project, you have the option of having folders created for you automatically, creating an empty project so you can create your own folders as the project evolves, or copying the folders in an existing project. We'll create a project the easy way by indicating we want all the folders to be created for us automatically. We'll begin by selecting File, New Project. The New Project dialog box appears on the screen. Notice that one text box, the Project Root box, already contains some information, a suggested location for the directory that will contain all the files in our new project. Let's enter a name for our new project in the Project Name box. Workbench automatically appends the name of our new project, Accounts Inpatients, to the project root as we type, suggesting we create a directory with the same name as our project under /di/projects. We could edit this path name if we wanted, but we'll accept the Workbench suggestion and move on to the Initial Contents dropdown. The Initial Contents dropdown lets you choose the way your data will be organized in your new project. We want all our folders to be created for us automatically, so we'll leave Initial Contents set to Default Folder Structure. Next, we'll enter a description for our project in the Description box. Notice the checkbox labeled Enable Automated Version Control. The checkbox is checked by default. This indicates we want to save the project automatically every 30 minutes and when the project closes, using an automated version control system. We'll leave version control enabled. We'll finish creating our new project by clicking OK. Workbench opens the new project in the Workbench Explorer window, showing us the names of all the folders that were created for us. When we try to expand the folders, we see that they're empty. The software has simply created a project structure for us. Now it's up to us to populate the folders with data. So that's how you create a new Workbench project. You select File, New Project, enter a name for your project, indicate what you want the initial content of your project to be, enter a description for your project, enable or disable automated version control, and click OK.
Thanks, Alyssa. Well, that was not hard at all. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments and by hitting the like button. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.